My passion for even cooking and adventures, camping, all that type of stuff I grew up doing it. Like with the family. My dad used to take us, hunting trips and camping and fishing trips and all that type of stuff. So I've always had a passion for it. I love it, man. I just love being out and about, and nothing more peaceful than being out and about. Whether you're camping or taking a caravan out to some beautiful spot next to a beach and soaking up that fresh air. And it's something that I loved doing growing up. I love doing it as a parent, and I'm gonna love doing it after everything's done too. You know what I mean?